Okay, this will be letter F on the homework assignment. And again, we have the two half reactions already written out, so I'm just going to run right into balancing. And if you look at both half reactions, everything is already balanced except the hydrogens and oxygens. So we will just jump into balancing hydrogen and oxygen. So on this first equation, I'm going to have to put plus 2 H2O. Okay, because I have 2 hydrogens, and then over here, okay, you got to be a little careful. You have 4 hydrogens and 3 hydrogens, so that is plus, oops, that will be plus 7 H pluses. Okay, and we should be good to go on that one. Now down below, we need oxygens over on this side, so we need H2Os over here, and we need 4 of them to get 4 oxygens. Okay, and again, now be a little bit careful with the hydrogens. This side already has 4 of them. Okay, and I need 8, so I'm only going to need to add 4 more hydrogens over on this side. Okay. Now we need to balance charge between both reactions. In the top reaction up here, we have a plus 7 and a minus 1. So I have a plus 6 overall net charge here. And over on this side, I have a 0. So essentially, I need to get the plus 6 to 0. So we are going to add 6 electrons to this side. And that gets me back to 0. Down below here, I have a 0 net charge here. And I have a minus 1. And a plus 4, so collectively over here, we have a plus 3 charge. So if I add 3 electrons over to this side, that gets me to 0. Okay? So now my 2 equations are balanced out as far as charge goes. So I want to add them together, but before I do that, I need the number of electrons to equal. I have 6 electrons up here. I have 3 here. So this bottom equation needs to be multiplied by 2. So that gives me 8, 2, 2, 8, and 6. Okay. So now that I have that, okay, I should be able to go through and cancel out. And so 6 electrons go away. I want to combine like terms. So I have 2 waters and 8 waters. So it leaves me with 6 H2Os. Those are now gone. I have 7 H pluses and 8 H pluses. So that's going to leave me with an H plus. And then everything else should be able to just be brought down. So this is plus NO2 minus plus 2Al plus 2AlOH4 minus plus NH3. Okay? And this solution needed to be basic when we're all said and done, and because of this, it is acidic. So we need to add an OH minus to this side and add an OH minus to this side. Okay? The addition of the OH minus just gives me an H2O, which I can cancel out one of those and then cancel out that. So then over here, I just have 5 H2O. Plus N2 minus plus 2 aluminums plus the OH, that makes me basic, 2 AlOH4 minus plus NH3. Okay? And again, you could double check your charge, and this one's easier to double check your charge on than the last one because you have a minus 1 here and a minus 1 with the hydroxide, so you have minus 2 overall. And then you have 2 minus 1 charges, so you have minus 2 overall there. And you can double check all your atoms too as well.